to my channel again, LifeWithNwarinma. If you're new, you're welcome. If you've been there, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting me. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make suya. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification to get notified whenever I upload my new video. Let's get started. This is my suya mix, as you can see, and I'm using beef and skewers. So I hope you will stay tuned to the end of this video. Then the suya mix, the ingredients, I will leave it in the description in case, so you can see the ingredients that I used to do this suya mix. I start off by slicing my beef. Now, here I'm washing my beef. Then I sprinkle some salt. For those of you that like using salt to wash, like me, I like using salt to wash. But you can use lime, hot water to wash. Make sure you wash before cooking or making suya or anything you want to make. So make sure you wash properly. I drain the water away. My beef is well washed, so we are making the suya now. And so you pass the skewers. You can put like 4 in one. Now I finished putting it in the skewers. It's ready now. I'm making I have to put the suya sauce on top. So just follow the process. Now I'm putting the suya sauce can see. So we are ready now to put the suya because I finished mixing the beef with the suya mix. So I'll now place it and put them in my oven. So I leave it in the oven. So I leave it for 200 degrees for 20 minutes for the first side. Now I'm turning it to the other side. Guys, I've finished turning it to the other side, so I'll still put it in. Then I'll leave it for another 20 minutes. Yeah guys, our suya is ready. Well done and tasty. Aboki suya. This is a finishing product, guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Give this video a thumbs up. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. See you soon.